In medicine, centrifugation is vital for blood analysis, separating blood into plasma, white blood cells, and red blood cells. It's also used to concentrate samples for diagnostic tests, separate urine components, and isolate DNA for genetic testing. You know what I tell my students? Blood separation is like the ultimate layered smoothie. When we centrifuge blood, it creates distinct layers. The plasma floats on top like coconut water. The white blood cells form a thin whitish layer in the middle called the buffy coat, like a tiny whipped cream layer, and the red blood cells sink to the bottom like strawberry puree. And here's a cool fact: when doctors need to study just one component, like plasma for clotting tests, they don't have to go fishing around with a turkey baster like I do when making gravy. The centrifuge does all the work for them. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.